This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. Software is coming back up, and I want to kind of focus on that again. We did it yesterday in detail, but it's exciting because it's working, right? So you've got IGV pushing up another 1% today. It's on its way to that 200. You can see it up here, which is literally 100. So now is up 10%. That's a beautiful thing, and it will take some time. This is one of my high conviction bets. Obviously, it needs to follow through. There we go. From this 86 neck of the woods, and then it gapped above. And I said it has to stay above this kind of 99 area. It did, and it would work its way back up to the 400 week. It has, and I gave 122.44 as price target. It's almost there. So now ServiceNow is working awesome. Some of the stuff that we have gone over of late, IBM also up another 4%. Very, very strong follow through, which you know I love. The IBM, Microsoft is also finally in Fugo. Boom! And this was really, really high conviction. We went over this again yesterday saying it's ready. It's ready to launch. Oracle's another name of high conviction, and here we are, 4%. So yeah, it's kind of cool that this is working, and at some point the semi-rotation will stall from earnings as good as it gets, but right now that's not the market we have. Long story short, the software run has begun, and specifically we set up very, very, very high conviction Oracle, Microsoft, also now IBM, and they're working. I know IBM is hardware too, but bear with me. It's the oversold bounce that all kind of plays together. Microsoft is really trying. This is igniting. We literally set this up yesterday. It is perfect. 441.85 is price target, the first one anyway, and we just hit it. So above this, then we head up to 460. So congrats. Yeah, Oracle's already there. 217. Mwah. 198 was the trigger, and 217 is the target. You just had a massive move higher on Microsoft and Oracle, and now is also working beautifully above the 400 week, but it has a little bit more to go at the 122 level, and IBM. So that's enough. I mean, I'm sure you have all kinds of other things. Look at IGV push into 99.34 or otherwise around 100. IGV is up 2.4%. It has been a big focus. Team, this was, I think, Antonio yesterday said he liked it for reasons I can't remember. Anyway, but I liked it only because of the 10 and 21. So it did have a fabulous staying power. Look at this. Like, this is the big expansion candle that they all look like in the software that was sold off. Whoa. And then it's sideways. Nice. Above the 10 week, close above the 10 week, close above the 10 week. And then boom. So this does look like it's headed for that 105, but right now it's a lot. 5% gap above the Bollinger Band. I think in time it will work its way up to that 113 and then 120 area. We talked about that yesterday for team. 87 was support. I said, if you're doing it now, don't let it fall below 87. I said next, and right now it's 98. So that's working. Next is 113, then 120. Yeah, look at IBM run. Absolutely run into the hot sun. Look at Oracle up 3.5% since the open, right into my 217. I mean, these are stunning. Great way to end the week, eh? AI is a strange little alert that I have, and I don't know enough about this guy, but AI has a great ticker symbol. It happened to just trigger yesterday. So these are the oversold plays that some folks really like. I would say it has to stay above 994. Look at that. It looks pretty darn good. I don't know the fundamental case for it, but for anybody who's looking for bottom fishing plays that have not yet risen up, AI is one. GitLab is the other one. AI and GitLab, they have not triggered in a long time. Look at the protracted downturns for both of them. And both of them this week, just yesterday, in fact, this got above 27, which is a monthly level. And you can see the 10 and 21 is starting to roll up, but look at that. I like those. And then AI, same thing. The 10 and 21 is rolling up. I like that. No idea if it has any fundamental reason for this, but I do like the fact that these protracted downturns, I don't like that gap down at all. But anyway, they are starting to come up, and all I would say is if you like these, don't be too piggish. Once it gets to the 200, it's going to have to digest and make that go sideways, and it could take a while. So just kind of be patient. Oh, there we go, Antonio. I see your comment now. GTLB. Antonio, thank you. Okay, solid and growing company. All I can say is that is a very nice handle to get and stay above 27.28. Let's call it 27. Hand inspired, hand debated, hand tested, all that. Hand marketing, hand user interface. Everything is human. No AI was used in the production of this product. None. I'm just going to go through the ETFs that are wildly successful right now. And you will see that IGV leads. We are 99.40 in IGV, and I literally, here's the 200-day. I said that's where it's headed. 99, let's just say 100. It has hit 99.78. That's just close enough for whatever the expression is. Government work? No. Union work? Anyway, it doesn't matter. But look at now, up 12%, exactly into my 122.44 price target. Bingo. Beautiful. IBM, exactly what I expected from this big expansion bar. Just needed to get above and run. Beautiful. We talked about team yesterday. It is starting. Microsoft also launched. Gorgeous. Beautiful at 4%. Still has room. Oracle launched. Beautiful into 217 from 198. As expected, it is all part of IGV, which is the rotation. We have a lot of buying in software, up 4%. That's exactly where we broke down. Exactly where we broke down. And it has been green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks for IGV.
Join Club to trade with Samantha. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description.